Oh, le goût. Oh! Dead. Dead. Blackez-moi Roy Jones. Chocolat.
Record, dans 3 secondes tu tournes ta tête, tu frappes un folle chocolat.
Ok.
Go! Chocolat. C'est sérieux? Oh shit, je suis en train de mourir. Ok, c'est bon. Action.
Dude, stop fucking with me, man. I'm not saying this shit.
What happened with your finger, boy?
Negro, don't get me started, man. Like, please.
You already started that story. You just need to finish it.
You guys is third bag, man. I know it, man. Yo, shit. Nah, man, I cannot do this shit, man. I'm Brook Canada playing basketball. Fuck y'all. Okay. Shit, man, I'm not putting this shit down. I mean, can't you at least wait till the shit heals before, you know what I mean? Like,
yo, le vélo doit sortir dans 2 jours.
Yo, ça cuive doit tout, man.
yo, bam.
Pollo Kawel.
Yo, nigga, I'm not gonna tell you what the fuck happened to my finger. It broke, okay? It broke. However, you thought, like, you know what I'm saying, was gonna broke. You know what I mean? It broke. Like,
On t'a dit mais pas ton doigt, t'as mis ton doigt, and that's what happened. C'est ça. C'est pas ça qui se passe des enfants.
dude, man.
Quand vous dites pas mettre votre doigt dans les trous, pas fait.
Pas mettre tes doigts tout dans le trou.
Oh, dude. Please, no.
C'est pour suspendre douette.
Y'all niggas trying to start a roast.
C'est pour